Did you know when your kids are watching any YouTube or Netflix videos on any iPhone or iPad or any device from Apple, you can actually lock all these functionalities of the phone, including touchscreen, volume control, and home button as well. This is extremely helpful so they don't end up calling 911 or something like that. And this is how to set it up. Go into your settings, then scroll down to accessibility, and then scroll down to guided access. Make sure to turn it on and put a password on it, as well as have an alarm system that will let you know if it's turned off. And you're pretty much good to go. Now you can open up an application and triple tap the home button or whatever button that you selected. Then you can select which area of the screen you want turned off. You also have different advanced options here where you can turn off different buttons on the phone as well. You can also turn off the keyboard option in case you don't want them to search any videos. Once you say done and start, you can set up the password to turning this off. Once this is turned on, everything else on the screen is working except for those buttons that we turned off. And just like that, you can also select the entire screen to be turned off. Hopefully this helps.